Hey guys, so I thought I would do one more Christmas kind of video, and this bag is so cute from Walmart. Oh come all ye thirsty. I had to use it for a cup, so just using my white 30-ounce skinny for this. Again, it's pretty straight but not completely perfect. But first step is just cutting down the middle or down the side and then cutting off the top and bottom. I just kind of put it on there and kind of measured where I needed to cut the top and bottom. I don't know whose hand that was. I don't know. Also measuring around this way to see where I need to cut the back off. And just cutting along that line. And you want to leave a little bit extra just in case you want it to overlap a little bit and cut it once you are Mod Podging it on. So the tip I got was to spray it with water, wrap it around the cup, smooth it out, and then put saran wrap around it to kind of help make it flat and dry that way. So I thought I would try it. Another tip was to use an iron and iron it first, which I don't own an iron, so I couldn't try that. But this I think helped a lot. It helped really smooth things out compared to my first one. I just smoothed it on there the best that I could. Since it's not completely straight up and down, it kind of tapers out slightly, and then just wrapped it in the saran wrap. So I left it for about a day. I did take off the saran wrap after a while so it could fully dry, and I think it really did help smooth it out. The side of this bag though, there's just that line and I couldn't really do anything about it. So Mod Podge, just slapping it on there, a pretty good layer. And I just already had a cup prepped ready. This cup wasn't prepped that I used to wrap it in, so that's why I'm switching cups, but it doesn't matter. Just lining it up the best that I can and just wrap it around. So then just trimming the side where they meet. A little bit extra at the top and bottom, so I just trimmed that off too. We are on our merry way. Mod Podge the top. So then after that was dry for a day, I filmed this gold, and I guess my camera was not recording, so I wanted it to go a little bit higher anyways though. Take a guess what I'm using to paint this gold on. I do have a video coming out, I think tomorrow, on this technique, but I'm obsessed with it and I can't get enough. So yeah, let me know what your guesses are as to what I'm using for this gold. But just painting it on there, and then also once this is dry, you do need to seal it before you go in with epoxy. And it just looks so pretty, and it matched the writing gold so well. So then I waited another day after I sealed that and went ahead and mixed up my epoxy. This is the DIY Epoxy Artisan Fast Set, and I mixed in a tiny bit of this really pretty, like pearly fine glitter, and I just love doing this. It gives it an all over sparkle, but it doesn't cover up what's underneath. It's so pretty. It's coming soon. So like always, just put it on the normal layer. I mixed up about 30 mLs, but I only used about 15. And then after this was dry, I did, I think, 2 more coats on this cup, and then it was completely done. Since this was the first layer after all the gift bag and everything. So I think I did 3 total. And I like to wait a few minutes and let the epoxy like self-level by itself and then torch it, especially with the fast set. I've noticed it really helps to give it even 10-15 minutes before you torch it, and it's so much more level than if you torch it before that. Then my cup was done. I hope you guys liked this video. I know it's not Christmas, but yeah, and it was even snowing outside when I did this little video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.